Hello YouTube, welcome back to another great video. This evening I'm making a quick video on finding a good spot for a sunset, and right here I kind of found one for a composition that I have in mind. Please follow us on TikTok at Scandinavian Borders. Also, please give us a follow on Instagram at _Emma Creek Gunworks _. And you can also have a glance at our photography page at Scandinavian.borders.nordic. Please keep giving our friends a subscribe and a follow on our Instagram page. Morton Himmler, Scottish Memoirs, ASMR, Elizabeth Imagination, ASMR, Tatiana James, Thomas Heaton, Nigel Denson, Gentle Whispering ASMR, and us. A subscribe, comment, like, and share this new video. It's sure a beautiful evening this evening on this Saturday. It's a little windy out here. All of our rifles took first, second, and third today at our Venturous match. You can also give us a checkout on our website at EmmaCreekGunworks.com or Emma Creek Gunworks Bomber Girl online store. You can also follow our store on Instagram at Emma Creek Bomber Girl as well too. And please check back on our featured channel list to give our friends the same support by subscribing and following their Instagram pages. If you ever need a custom rifle built, please give us an email at EmmaCreekGunworks with a S at gmail.com. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.